In today's video, we are going over the benefits of snow guards. What are pole barn snow guards? Snow guards are rooftop devices designed to facilitate the gradual melting and controlled drift of snow and ice from metal roofs, preventing the occurrence of sudden and potential damaging roof avalanches. Without snow guards, the abrupt release of snow and ice can lead to harm to gutters, lower roof sections, skylights, and anything or anyone beneath the roof. Here are 5 benefits of snow guards. Number 1, reduces the likelihood of property damage. Without snow guards on the roof to prevent snow from sliding off, objects beneath your pole barn are vulnerable to potential damage. Number 2, mitigates liability concerns. This is crucial for commercial buildings such as retail spaces, dealerships, or professional services where high foot traffic is common. Number 3, enhances the structural stability of your post-frame building. Snow guards contribute to maintaining structural integrity by preventing snow accumulation on the lower side of your building. Number 4, easy and timely installation. The flexibility of snow guards lies in their ability at any time. If you construct your pole barn without guards initially, you can be reassured that they can be installed at a later time. Number 5, pricing. The cost varies depending on the material chosen. Plastic snow guards tend to be more affordable but less durable. Metal snow guards represent a pricier yet more durable option. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more post-frame content. Thanks for watching, and always remember, build with confidence.